To make this flower pattern, we have to work with 4 cords. So I'm gonna attach 2 cords in this lobster clasp by making a lark's head knot. Now that we have 4 cords, the first thing that we have to do is to get this outer cords and make a cross sign. Okay, so these 2 inner cords, what we're gonna do is the one in your left, you're gonna insert it over it, and then same thing, this inner cord in the right, you are gonna put this over and through, and get these 2 cords, pull it. Okay, so we should be able to make this vertical lines on top. Okay, so we should have this. And then the next thing that we have to do is to work on the sides. So what we're gonna do as our lead cord is the inner cord. So we're gonna do double half hitch, and to make double half hitch, so we just have to put this over and through, and then we're gonna pull it tight and repeat the process. Make a letter U, put this over and through, and then pull it tight. Okay, so we have this, and we're gonna do the same thing onto the other side. So we have our lead cord, which is the inner cord, and we're gonna make a letter U and put this over and through, and then we're gonna repeat the process, a letter U and through. Okay, pull it tight. And then we're gonna repeat the process. We're gonna make a cross sign, okay, and work with our inner cords. So this left cord on your left, and this right cord on the right loop. Okay, so let's just pull this inner cords, okay, and adjust accordingly. Then do the same double half hitch on the sides. So we're just gonna continue doing this until we reach our desired length. For this tutorial, I'm doing a bag strap that I'll be attaching on this new bag design that I'll be sharing on another video. So again, your inner cord as your lead cord and the outer cord as your working cord. If you're having problem with double half hitch, I also have another video for that. Please watch 3 basic knots you need to learn. Okay, so we're just gonna do the same process, make a cross sign, and insert these 2 middle cords. Aside from making a bag strap out of this pattern, you could also incorporate this with your wall hanging projects or plant hangers. Just to reiterate, we just need to work with 4 cords if we decide to use this pattern.